When extending floor-mounted receptacles fed from a central dimmer rack in a theatrical setting, several cable options are available. Type AC cable or armored cable typically consists of steel armor with a chlorinated polyethylene or CPE jacket. It complies with National Electrical Code or NEC Article 501 and Underwriters Laboratories or UL Standard 1569. Type MC cable or metal-clad cable features stranded copper or aluminum conductors, corrugated metal armor, and an outer thermoplastic jacket. This type complies with NEC Article 330 and UL Standard 1277. For an application using 10 American wire gauge or AUG stranded wire, specific recommendations include the following. Firstly, for AC cable, consider Type AC 4-conductor 10 AWG cable with a CPE jacket, such as Southwire Rumix 810,114,401. Secondly, for MC cable, a Type MC 4-conductor 10 AWG cable with corrugated aluminum armor and a polyvinyl chloride, or PVC, jacket such as Southwire 99,202,549 is a viable option. It is highly recommended that cables specifically designed for theatrical applications be used. These cables are often engineered with high crush resistance to withstand foot traffic and other potential damage. The choice between AC and MC cable depends on several factors, including cost, flexibility, and availability. AC cable is generally more economical and easier to install. MC cable, on the other hand, offers superior crush resistance. Ensure that the selected cable is suitable for underfloor applications and meets all NEC requirements for the specific location. Always consult with a qualified electrician to ensure proper installation and compliance with all relevant codes and regulations. Understanding NEC Article 501 is crucial when dealing with potentially hazardous locations, which may be relevant in some theatrical settings. This article outlines specific requirements for wiring and equipment in such environments, ensuring safety and preventing potential hazards. UL Standard 1569 sets the safety standards for armored cables, covering construction, performance, and testing requirements. Compliance with this standard ensures that the AC cable meets established safety benchmarks. NEC Article 330 provides guidelines for the use and installation of metal-clad cable, detailing permitted and prohibited uses, ampacity, and installation methods. UL Standard 1277 outlines the safety requirements for metal-clad cables, ensuring they meet specific performance and safety criteria. When selecting cable, consider the number of conductors needed. In this case, a 4-conductor cable is recommended to accommodate the hot, neutral, ground, and potentially an additional control wire. The 10 AWG size is suitable for 20 amp circuits, aligning with the existing wiring. CPE is a durable and flexible jacketing material commonly used in AC cables, providing resistance to abrasion, chemicals, and moisture. PVC is another widely used jacketing material, offering good resistance to abrasion, chemicals, and moisture. It is commonly found in MC cables. Proper grounding is essential for electrical safety. Ensure that the chosen cable provides a reliable grounding path back to the electrical panel. Pay close attention to the ampacity of the selected cable. The ampacity must be sufficient to handle the intended load of the circuit. For 20 amp circuits, 10 AWG wire is typically adequate. Underfloor applications may have specific requirements for cable installation. Ensure that the cable is properly supported and protected from physical damage. Consider using cable trays or other support systems to keep the cable organized and prevent strain. When making connections to the existing receptacles, use appropriate connectors that are rated for the type of cable being used. Follow all manufacturers' instructions and NEC guidelines for making electrical connections. Carefully inspect the existing wiring for any signs of damage or deterioration. Replace any damaged wiring before making new connections. When working with electrical systems, always prioritize safety. Turn off the power to the circuit before making any connections or modifications. Use appropriate personal protective equipment, such as gloves and safety glasses. Consider the long-term reliability of the chosen cable. Select a cable that is known for its durability and resistance to environmental factors. The flexibility of the cable is also important, especially when routing it through tight spaces or around obstacles. When estimating the cost of the project, factor in the cost of the cable, connectors, and any other necessary materials. Obtain multiple quotes from different suppliers to ensure that you are getting the best possible price. Always keep detailed records of all work performed, including the type of cable used, the date of installation, and any other relevant information. Adherence to NEC requirements is crucial for ensuring the safety and legality of the electrical installation. Consult the latest edition of the NEC for specific requirements related to your application. Local electrical codes may have additional requirements that must be followed. Proper planning is essential for a successful electrical project. Take the time to carefully assess the existing conditions, plan the routing of the new cable, and gather all necessary materials. A well-planned project will save time and money in the long run. Thoroughly test the new circuit after installation to ensure that it is working properly. Use a multimeter to verify that the voltage and current are within acceptable limits. Check for any signs of overheating or other problems. Regular maintenance is important for ensuring the long-term reliability of the electrical system. Periodically inspect the wiring for any signs of damage or deterioration. Tighten any loose connections and replace any worn or damaged components. The choice of cable can also impact the aesthetics of the installation. Consider using cable management techniques to keep the wiring neat and organized. Labeling the cables can help with future troubleshooting and maintenance. Proper documentation is essential for maintaining accurate records of the electrical system. Keep a detailed wiring diagram that shows the location of all cables and components. Update the wiring diagram whenever any changes are made to the system. Consider the environmental impact of the chosen cable. Select a cable that is made from environmentally friendly materials and that is recyclable. Dispose of any waste materials properly. The advancement of cable technology is constantly evolving. Stay informed about the latest developments in cable design and materials. This can help you make informed decisions about cable selection and installation. Proper cable selection and installation are crucial for ensuring the safety and reliability of electrical systems. By following best practices and consulting with qualified professionals, you can ensure that your electrical projects are completed safely and successfully. Remember to always prioritize safety and adhere to all applicable codes and regulations.